Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get abs and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this area and then you can equip this top, okay, and color it with your skin color. Okay, I'm going to color it this color, okay, and it will create something like this, and then you can combine it with the other items. And for me, I'm just going to wear this top. Okay, it's perfect for like gym theme for you guys. Okay, and okay, this is the final result. That's so cool. Okay, and just combine it with the other items to make it looks more natural. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get abs and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!